Hi, my name's Kurt with Milwaukee Tool. Today I'm at Acme Tools and excited to show you guys our new M18 compact folding rover light with USB charging. This is going to be the 2359-20. This is going to be our most portable and compact M18 light that we make. This light's going to have 300 by 180 degree head rotation. It's going to have 4 different modes. On high, it's going to be able to run for 12 hours at 1,000 lumens, and then on low it's going to be able to run for 110 hours at 85 lumens. Some other features on here, it's going to have a rafter hook. The USB A and C are going to be able to charge those small devices. It's going to be ISP54 rated, so water and dust resistant as well as chemical resistant, and it's going to have a 2 meter drop resistance as well, all in the M18 system. Thank you. If you have any questions, please visit one of Acme's locations or visit acmetools.com.